The respiratory system works with the circulatory system to transport oxygen to the cells and to return carbon dioxide to the lungs for elimination from the body. The heart sends blood that has returned through veins from all over the body into the lungs. This blood is carrying carbon dioxide, which it will release into the alveoli. Then oxygen from recently inhaled air will pass through the cell walls of the alveoli and capillaries into the blood. The blood will continue back to the heart, where it receives its push to travel to various parts of the body. As the blood moves into capillaries, it passes by individual living cells where the gas exchange occurs. Oxygen goes into the cell, and carbon dioxide goes into the blood. This exchange takes place in the alveoli and body cells because gases tend to move from areas of concentration into areas of less concentration. What this means is that because the blood entering the lung is carrying carbon dioxide and there are lower amounts of that gas in the alveoli, the gas moves through the capillary and alveoli cell walls and into the area of lower concentration. The same thing happens to the oxygen in the alveoli as it moves into the bloodstream. This also accounts for the passage of gases from the capillaries into the cells and from the cells into the capillaries. The respiratory system is very important to our survival. Being deprived of oxygen for just a few minutes can mean great damage to the body. After a few minutes of lack of oxygen, the brain begins to suffer. If a lack of oxygen persists, death can soon follow. We can survive for days without food or water, but if deprived of oxygen, we can only survive for a few minutes.
Your body is made up of trillions of living cells, and every one of them needs food and oxygen to stay alive. Whether you are exercising, just sitting around, or even sleeping, the circulatory system is busy working to get fresh oxygen and food to all parts of the body. It is the job of the circulatory system to transport food and oxygen to the cells and then to collect waste products so that they can be eliminated from the body. This system operates non-stop from before birth to death. If deprived of oxygen for just a few minutes, a cell will begin to die. This system is crucial to survival. The circulatory system is made up of three main parts or components: the heart, the blood, and the vessels through which the blood flows.